So if you want to build a brand fast, if you want to make money quickly, get more traffic, leads, and sales without paid advertising, then this video is definitely for you. So I'm over here on Google Trends. You'll notice the search phrase that I typed in was PPP loan cabbage. Now the interest over time is telling us when this specific search phrase was really popular. And you can see that it skyrocketed in interest between the end of July and right around, if I can get this guy to cooperate, right around, I think it was right around mid-August or so. It was actually August 2nd to August 8th. This is when, PPP loans were very popular. So if we created a piece of content based off of PPP loan cabbage right around July 19th to the 25th, then we could have seen a huge spike in traffic, leads, and sales in August. So the question becomes, how do we do this? Well, there's a few ways that you can do this. You can rank at the top of Google. You can also rank at the top of YouTube. So what I did is I did some further investigation for the specific keyword, and I went over to YouTube and I typed in that keyword, aka that search phrase right here, PPP loan cabbage. And you can see Jerry Banfield's right here, 291,000 subscribers, more of a seasoned channel here, 54,000 views. So some of those 54,000 views came from new people typing this specific search phrase in and then clicking on his video. And then obviously other views came in from his current subscriber base. But if you look at this second result, Shasta Mott, only 171 subscribers, 10,000 views, and this was uploaded roughly a month ago. Okay, roughly a month ago, which in turn tells us that this video was probably uploaded right around the end of July, and this individual was able to ride that wave and get a heck of a lot of views to this one specific video. And if they positioned it right, resulted in a lot of subscribers, thus building the brand, and then also probably a lot of leads and sales if they monetized the video correctly. So if we go ahead and click on here, I just want to see the date.
Hey guys.
Go ahead and see if I can scroll down here. You can see this was July 7th, 2020. So even before this spike and increase in interest and search volume. So that's what we want to be doing. And then of course, there's some other things that you want to do with your content, whether it's your blog or your videos, to build an email list, right? To get people on like a newsletter, get people to subscribe, get people to, subscribe to the RSS feed or the YouTube channel, right? So what we want to be doing is we want to be leveraging these trends to not only make sales, but most importantly, build our brand today to create sales tomorrow. Let me show you another example here. So here's a search term known as Forsage. It's a business opportunity that was released right around February of this year, but it really saw a spike of increase right around June to July, okay? June to July. So you can see this huge increase from here, end of May, to obviously really here's the peak right around July. So what I did is I went ahead, because I knew this was something that was trending, I went ahead and created a video around this search term on my affiliate marketing channel. And you can see that I'm ranked #1 right here. I got 97,000 views from this specific video right here. And it resulted in well over a couple hundred subscribers. I actually want to show you exactly how many subscribers it was. So let me go ahead and see if I can head over to the channel. And I'm just going to go to youtube.com. And I'm going to go ahead and pull up. See if I can go ahead and pull up my YouTube studio here and pull up that very video. And I want to show you guys how many subscribers this specific video resulted in. And the great thing about building a subscriber base, whether it's on an email list or on a YouTube channel, is the fact that a lot of people will buy today, but a lot of people will buy tomorrow. So let me kind of keep scrolling down here. I know it's going to be right around here. Here we go. I'm just going to go to the analytics here. And you're going to see, I was way off. This very video resulted in 3,500 subscribers. And then also just from ad revenue, from being a creator on YouTube, that was an extra $1,800. And then it also resulted in some sales on the back end by promoting the opportunity itself, which created over 6 figures for me. And that's just off of one video. And that's the importance of writing trends, being able to find out exactly when you should create your content, how to find these specific topics that are trending in the beginning, and how to exactly ride that wave so you can use that wave to build an email list, to build a subscriber base, and to create more traffic, leads, and sales. If you want to know how to do this in complete detail, whether you're a business owner or maybe you want to start your own business, maybe you want to leverage, search phrases like PPP loan cabbage, and then what you can do is go over to places like offervault.com. You can find cabbage as the offer itself, and you can make $200 per sell by promoting cabbage through your YouTube videos and even through your blogs. So this video could actually be promoting cabbage beneath it right here. You can imagine that she probably could have brought in quite a few sales as a result of that at $200 a piece. So the power of leveraging trends, current trends, is incredible. And a lot of these trends, there's no competition because they're brand new. They're brand new search terms on the internet, and you could be the first. And this can be leveraged in any niche, in any market. I just showed you an example of 2 markets, the financial niche or the loan niche, and also the business opportunity niche. So this can virtually work in any niche. So if you want to learn how to find these golden search phrases that are trending and you want to be able to make money from those, then go ahead, click the link below, join my 30-day challenge. This will be the best investment that you make this year, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Look forward to seeing you on the inside.